The first thing here we need a top navbar. So let's get started by searching navbar on the Get Bootstrap web page. Search navbar here, and from here just copy this navbar, the first navbar. Copy this and navbar and paste it like this. Save and reload here. We have this beautiful navbar. We don't need this form, and we want these menus to be right aligned. So let's do that first. Remove this form and now reload. We have removed the form and now move this menu to the right side. So for that we need to change this class. On this UL tag, just change ME photo to MS photo. Save and reload. Now all the elements are aligned to the right side. And we have some padding here and here. So change the container fluid to container like this and reload. Here we go. Now we need to change this title. Title is RWD Web Agency. So change it to RWD Web Agency. Save and reload. Here we go. Now the menus we have first is home, about us, about, contact, price, and service. So let's get so let add this menu. We just need to copy this, change this link to first we have about, first we have this home. Home is already there. Now change it to about, and we don't need this drop down. So remove this drop down li. Just remove this from here. And we also don't need this disable menu. So remove this item and just copy it and paste it like this. About, contact, service, and paste one more time, and here we have price table. Now reload and see. Here we go. We have added this and successfully. And one thing we have here, this navbar is fixed at the top and there is a border shadow at the bottom. So let's get to that. Go to this navbar and add this class shadow. It will add a shadow to the bottom. Now reload. There we go. We have this beautiful shadow here. And now we need a sticky top class. We need to add a class here like sticky, not the sticky, it is fixed top like this. Add these two classes. It will make it fixed to the top and it will add a shadow to the bottom. Now we have everything that we need. That's it for this video.